the invention that could change the world. Forever. What if I told you that scientists have created a machine that could make almost unlimited clean energy, using the same process that powers the sun? It sounds like science fiction, but it's real. And if it works, it could completely change the future of humanity. Here's why the entire world is paying attention. Inside the sun, enormous pressure forces tiny hydrogen atoms to smash together. When they do, they release an unbelievable amount of energy. This process is called nuclear fusion. For decades, scientists dreamed of recreating fusion on Earth. The challenge? It requires temperatures hotter than the center of the sun, over 100 million degrees Celsius. To control something that hot, engineers can't use ordinary materials. Instead, they use incredibly powerful magnetic fields to keep the superheated plasma floating in midair without touching the walls of the reactor. One of the world's biggest fusion experiments is called ITER, a massive international project being built in southern France. Scientists and engineers from dozens of countries are working together to solve one of humanity's greatest engineering challenges. If fusion becomes practical, the benefits could be incredible. Fusion fuel can be made from materials that are abundant on Earth. It produces no carbon dioxide during operation, creates far less long-lived radioactive waste than today's nuclear fission plants, and could provide enormous amounts of electricity day and night. Imagine cities powered without burning coal, oil, or natural gas. Electric cars could be charged with cleaner electricity. Factories could operate with much lower emissions. The impact on climate and energy security could be enormous. But fusion is still one of the hardest scientific problems ever attempted. Scientists must create stable plasma, keep it under control, and generate more energy than the reactor consumes. Every improvement brings researchers one step closer, but there is still work to do before fusion becomes a common source of electricity. For thousands of years, humans learned to control fire. Now, we're trying to control the power of the stars. If scientists succeed, future generations may look back on this moment as the beginning of a new energy era, one where clean, nearly limitless power transformed the world. Would you trust electricity made from a miniature sun? Follow for more incredible science and technology stories that are changing our future.